So what are you doing to make Patrick feel better?
He needs a nose drop.
Is he all stuffy?
He is. He's trying to cry.
Oh. What about you? Do you need nose drops? Huh? Let me hear you sniff. You sound kind of stuffy.
I just pink.
You're what?
I'm kind of sniffing.
You're kind of sniffing. Does that mean you need nose drops?
No drops for me. Because I'll take a little bite. How about I take a little bite of my apple?
Oh, apples will help?
Apples will help me.
Okay, well...
Around